Hey everyone! Today we're comparing two of the most powerful AI video generation models out there. Google Veo 3 vs Kling 2.1 by Kuaishou. Let's break it down. 1. Video quality. Veo 3 creates cinematic, photorealistic videos, smooth camera movements, realistic lighting, and strong narrative flow. It's ideal for storytelling, ads, and concept art. Kling 2.1, on the other hand, focuses heavily on realism and accuracy. It's known for handling physics and motion extremely well, like water, reflections, and real-world dynamics. Verdict. Veo 3 looks more cinematic, but Kling 2.1 is often more physically accurate. 2. Prompt control. Veo 3 works inside Gemini and VideoFX, with decent prompt interpretation and some support for motion and scene changes. But it sometimes ignores small details. Kling 2.1 accepts highly detailed prompts and even supports multi-shot video from a single prompt. It's also great at handling specific camera angles and art styles. Verdict. Kling wins when it comes to prompt precision and complexity. 3. Accessibility. Veo 3 is not yet public, but you can access it via VPN and Gemini if you're creative. Kling 2.1 is also not public, and mainly available to selected developers or via leaks and demos. Verdict. Both are limited, but Veo is easier to access via Google's official tools, with VPN tricks. 4. Use case focus. Veo 3 is clearly designed for creators and filmmakers, think short films, ads, concept storytelling. Kling 2.1 feels more like a technical research showcase, stunning, but more experimental for now. Final verdict. If you want beautiful, cinematic videos fast, Veo 3 is your go-to. If you want technical control, physics realism, and better prompt obedience, Kling 2.1 is ahead, but much harder to access. So the winner? Depends on your goal. Veo is more usable. Kling is more advanced if you can get your hands on it. Want tutorials or access guides for either model? Hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll help you out.